Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we have another model aircraft unboxing. In here we have pretty much the same exact plane that I just got a little while ago. This is another Delta A350-900 from Gemini Jets, but the only difference between the two, believe it or not, is just one number. The one that I have right now is November 501 Delta November. This one here, November 502 Delta November. So we're going to go ahead and get into it and see what it looks like. Alright, there we go. This looks very familiar. So you see it says Delta Airbus A350-900, and there is the plane right there, and you can see it says N502DN. So it is different than the one that I have, but just barely. There's the plane inside, and all the specifications on the top flap here. If you guys want to, you can pause it, but we're going to go ahead and get right into the unboxing and take a look at it. Alright, here is the model. So let's go ahead and look at some of the details. So this is just like the other one. Up at the front we have the cockpit windows, the nose cone detail, the front door and the SkyTeam logo by the front door. The Delta titles right there. We have the first and second doors, the antennas, the rotating beacon light. We have the engines right here, which have pretty good detail. You can see on the inside with the fan blades. Moving back, we got the wings, and the wings have pretty good detail. And on the wingtips, you can see it has the Delta logo, which is a pretty cool touch. Moving back, there's the third door, and here is the registration, November 502, Delta November. A couple more antennas, the Wi-Fi box, and then the Delta tail. Let's go ahead and look on the underside, because it does say Delta on the bottom, just like the other A350 did. Which looks pretty cool. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. This was a fairly familiar unboxing for me, considering it just got this plane not too long ago. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Take care guys, and I'll see you later.